At 5:30, the state attorney's office announcing a big bust today. Dozens of people arrested on drugs and weapons charges. Let's get to Local 10's Leanne Motorhone. She's live in the video port now with more.
And Victor, we're talking that this was the result of a major collaboration. Federal, state, and local law enforcement coming together for a violence reduction partnership targeting what they are calling high crime hotspots in South Florida to bag their bad guys.
We are here together to combine our resources and to make sure that we hold accountable those who dare bring these guns and illegal drugs into what should be your safe havens.
In a joint news conference at Miami-Dade's Northside Police Department, the U.S. Attorney's Office announced a major bust targeting South Florida's most dangerous illegal drugs and arms dealers.
These hardworking law enforcement partners used wiretaps, surveillance, search warrants, and undercover operations in order to capture and dismantle these extensive distribution networks.
Federal charges have now been filed against 55 people involved in various criminal activities. Of those, 40 are now in custody. Police also seized 10 kilograms of powder cocaine, at least 9 kilograms of heroin, and 500 grams of crack cocaine. They also collected over 500 rounds of ammunition and nearly 50 firearms. Some of them were on display today, including a homemade machine gun.
This is built to kill people. Plain and simple.
They say there's still more to be done to keep South Florida safe, but this big bust is an important step.
All these arrests, all these guns, signifies that a grandmother somewhere isn't going to have to lock herself in her bedroom tonight.
And the state attorney's office says there are still 17 fugitives at large. We've just received photos of them. We're going to put them up for you on local10.com. If you have any information on where they might be or on other crimes in South Florida that you think they will want to know about, go ahead and call Crime Stoppers. The number is on your screen, 305-471-TIPS. Live tonight in the video port, Leanne Motorhone, Local 10 News.